Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to move a channel or an entire category in your Discord server. This helps keep your server organized, especially if you have a lot of different sections. Let's dive in. Alright, first, open up Discord on your PC and go to your server. Now let's say you want to move a channel. Just click and hold on the channel name from the left-hand sidebar. Once you're holding it, simply drag it up or down to where you want it placed. You can move it within the same category, or even between categories. Now, if you want to move a whole category, the process is just as easy. Find the category name, like Voice Channels or General. Click and hold on the category header, and drag it above or below another category. Discord will automatically adjust the positions of the channels inside it too. Now, if you want to move a channel into a different category, drag the channel into the category area, and you'll see a highlight when it's ready to drop. You can do this for text channels, voice channels, and even announcement channels. One quick note. You need to have the proper permissions on the server to move channels. If you're not the owner or admin, you might not be able to do this. And that's how you move channels and categories on Discord. Super simple and super helpful. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss future tips. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.